How to leave Sleeper Fantasy League. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to leave a Sleeper Fantasy League. So without further ado, let us begin. So once the scoring for a season has started, we do not allow users to leave or delete leagues even if that season has ended. So if the scoring of a season has already started, you cannot leave or delete a league even if the season has ended. So how to leave a league? So if you want to leave a league before it has started, so just follow these steps. So go into league settings, go all the way down to the bottom. So from there you should see a leave league option. So once you press that, you will leave the league and no longer see it anywhere. So the icon will look like this. Moving on, how to archive a league. So if you want to stay in a league, so you can go back and look at past scoring or standings, but not have it included with your active leagues, then these steps will show you how to archive these leagues. So go to your list of leagues and press on this icon right here. And then from there, you can press on the box icon to the left of a specific league to archive it. It won't delete the league, but it will hide it from the active screen so it's not visible. So any archive leagues will appear underneath the list of your active leagues. You can make them visible again at any time by pressing on the plus icon. Moving on, how do you delete a league? So in deleting a league, what you want to do is go to the commissioner settings of your league, scroll down to tap on delete league, and then just re-enter the name of your league and then tap on delete league. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to leave a league in Sleeper Fantasy League.